Hey everybody, happy Veterans Day. I want to talk about the battery here on the Rambler. Okay, so I ordered a special disconnect. The way this is made is you fit it on a battery terminal like this. You hook your other battery terminal stuff up like this, and then all you do is you twist it down to make connection, and then when you want it turned off, you twist it off. That way it doesn't make connection anymore, and you're not draining any battery if you happen to have something loose, like I happen to have something loose. Thought I'd share that. I'm going to install this now. I'll show you the inner workings of this. Okay, so I took this apart just so I could see what was going on. It's got a plastic piece in here. If you slide this out, you realize that the plastic piece keeps this brass from touching the other piece. Okay, the only connection you have is this screw. If you notice, it has this plate here. What happens is that plate does not have connection. Okay, it does have connection with the bottom part. When you screw it down, that's when that plate makes firm contact. That's what transfers the energy from this part to this part, is that plate that's on the inside of this part right there. Huh, how about that? Pretty smart. Alright, I did a couple things. I put this quick disconnect. I put it on the positive. I've attached this to here. I've attached the negative to the negative. I took out all of the crazy crap I had that was, at one time I had a two-fan deal, this two-fan coolant deal on my radiator, because my radiator just didn't seem to keep up with living here in South Carolina with the heat. Come to find out, it was the thermostat that needed to be replaced, so I replaced the thermostat. I took those out. I took out all that extra wiring that was just in the way. And I think I've got this straight. Now, if I'm correct, this right here is not connected right now. Okay, you see the gap? Get you guys where you can see it. When I make connection, that should be a little bit of a spark. Okay, I should have hot wire to the engine now. Okay, so with that hooked up, I should be able to pump my gas. Aha! Looky there. How about that? Thanks, Dad. You talking me through it helped me figure out a lot. Appreciate it. She sounds good. Alright, so I got the Rambler working again. Turns out it was a loose wire system. I got it all straightened out. I can't thank my dad enough for helping me figure it out when he was here to visit, and I got to talk to him about it since. It helped out. I'm here driving in the 64 AMC Rambler 2-door with a 350 Chevy in it, hauling boogie down the road. It's all good, baby.